Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the niche and buying the tools you need. Pick a short domain that matches your niche, then choose hosting based on traffic expectations, shared for 5K visits, VPS for growth. Once purchased, point the domain to the host via name servers. Propagation can take up to 48 hours, but often finishes sooner. Make sure to enable SSL in the hosting dashboard now so your site serves HTTPS from day one. That prevents mixed content headaches later. Now you install the blogging platform, use the host installer for WordPress, or deploy a static generator if you prefer speed. Pick a lightweight, responsive theme and child theme for customization. That keeps updates safe. Install essential plugins, SEO, cache, backup, and security. Configure each with sensible defaults. Once done, create key pages, about, contact, privacy, and set permalink structure for SEO. Make sure the site is mobile ready. Test on a phone and adjust padding, font sizes, and menu behavior. You finish by publishing at least 3 cornerstone posts and crafting an editorial calendar. Consistency beats sporadic bursts. Connect analytics and submit your sitemap to Search Console so indexing starts. Then enable social sharing and an email signup. Once live, verify DNS, SSL, and page speed. If something breaks, disable recent plugins first and inspect error logs. Plugin conflicts and mixed SSL are common causes. Finally, iterate, refine headlines, measure engagement, and make data-driven improvements every.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.